All right, in this last one, what we're going to do is we're going to try to find angle C. So if you're looking for angle C, then what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to use the law of sines on this one. And I would always try to use the law of sines. Use the law of cosines and the law of sines doesn't work, but since the law of sines is so much easier to use, I try this one. If I don't have enough information, then I go to the law of cosines. I try to avoid memorizing when to use what. I just try law of sines. If I have enough information, I'm all set. If I don't, then I try to use the law of cosines instead. So here we need the sine of an angle over a side, sine of an angle over a side. So here we got to look for angle C, but we don't know the side opposite. So that would give us two variables here. We're looking for the angle and we don't have the side opposite. So we know we're not going to be able to use this right off the bat. But let's look at what else we've got. Here we do have 33-degree angle. So if we put 33 here, the side opposite would be 63. So we've got that. And we do have this 54 length side, which would allow us to find this angle. So we could find B here. Okay. Now you say, well, we weren't looking for B. We were looking for C. Well, if you know B, can you find C? We sure can, because all three angles have to add up to 180. So in this case, if we find B, we can subtract from 180 and we can find C. Okay. So we've got our proportion here. We're going to do the shortcut of solving this proportion again. Since this is our variable, we'll let the sine of angle B equal 54 times the sine of 33 divided by 63. And then how do you get angle B by itself? Angle B equals, to get sine to the other side, it's the inverse sine. So sine -1 of 54 times sine of 33 divided by 63. And that's going to get plugged into your calculator like that. Okay. So in your calculator, we have inverse sine of 54 times sine of 33. Close the parentheses on the 33, but don't close the second parentheses yet. Divided by 63, and that gets you 27.8. So angle B is approximately 27.8. Okay. But we have a slight problem because we were looking for angle C, not angle B. So to find angle C, we want to find angle C. Angle C is going to equal 180 minus 33 minus 27.8, which then, when you plug that in, gets you 119.2 degrees. So 119.2 is your final answer on that one. Okay?